Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, hope you all are doing well and taking your video lessons regularly. This is your English text class. Student, as you know that we have started a new lesson, unit number 2, named Social Etiquettes and Manners. And what was the chapter about? This chapter is actually comprised of 5 different informal letters written to Big Brother, and these letters are written by students of secondary classes. And it is and what was the name of the magazine in which it was they were published? They are published. It is a students magazine, and in each letter the students are sharing their problems, and along with the letters, Big Brother also give some advices to them. In each letters, advices are given, some etiquettes are taught by Big Brother. So this was the chapter. A short recapitulation, a short description about the chapter. And as you know that what we have done in the previous class, I gave you a task. I assigned you the tasks to solve the exercises in the book. Okay, students, open page number 28, and as you can see, these are the matching the words with their meanings, and you will have to write the answer, fill the answer column. As you can see it, hopefully you have done in your book. You can check your answer. And exercise 3 also, first two I have done for you, and the remaining 3 hopefully you have done. Exercise 4, and the last exercise, it was exercise 5. Okay students, now how to start your work in your notebook? As you already know, okay, first you will have to make the title page. You will have to mention the name of the unit. It's unit number 2, and the name of the chapter is Social Etiquettes and Manners. And what is the first task you always do in the text copy, in the text notebook? As you know that you will have to copy down these words which are given on page number 28 in your notebook. These are 15 words altogether, and I am showing you how you will do this. You will have to write the question, write the instruction, write English and Urdu meanings of the words, and make 5 columns. One is for serial number, other is for words, part of speech, English meaning, and the last column is for Urdu meanings. Okay, you will have, don't forget to write the part of speech and Urdu meaning. Okay, hopefully you can do it in your copy neatly. And student, this is very important to learn all these meanings, the English meanings as well as Urdu meanings by heart. Okay students, what is the task for today, what I decided for you today? We will do the synonym antonyms. I have a list of words. These are about 15 words are there, as you can see on the whiteboard. The first word we have upset. Upset means udas ho jana. Okay, and what will be the synonym? And unhappy or sad. And antonym will be calm and happy. Okay, while you are doing synonym antonyms, keep remember this thing, that synonym and antonym must be of one word and having the same part of speech as the word is given. Ill manner, the meaning, the synonym of this word is bad mannered, and antonym will be well mannered. Then we have a third word, harsh, means rough, and this unkind भी हो सकता है. And what is the antonym of this word? Soft or kind. Probably means शायद, perhaps or improbably. Annoyed, irritated, and the antonym will be pleased. Scolded, rebuked, and the antonym will be praised. Mock means होता है, but this is, I think so, it's a new word for you. That means I told you while I explained the chapter, I explained the text. The meaning is make fun of, मजाक उड़ाना, ridicule, and praise. And next word we have honored, respected, and very easy to learn the antonym of this word, dishonor. Argue, disagree, and the antonym obviously it will be ugly. Handicapped, handicapped are those people who have having some disability, जिनके अंदर कोई ऐप होता है या कोई माजूरी होती है उसको कहते हैं. And the synonym of this word is disabled and the antonym will be able. Irritated, annoyed, and pleased. Impolite means rude, rough, harsh, whatever you want to say, and the antonym will be polite. Diversity, this is also a new word for you, means diversity means variety. इख्तिलाफ यानी मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें जो होती हैं, it's a noun, and the antonym will be uniformity. Believe, when we have believe with the spelling like VE, so it will be used as a verb. Now it is used as a noun. So what will be the belief means? अकायद को कह दीजिए, अकीदे को कह दीजिए, and then the synonym of this word is faith, and the antonym will be doubt. The last word we have misbehave. Misbehave के लिए हम the synonym of this word is misconduct, and the antonym will be obey. Okay students, you will have to copy down the list of synonym antonyms very neatly and perfectly in your notebook, in your English text notebook, and let's come to the homework. What is the homework for today? Learn. Keep remember this thing. You will have to learn each and everything which you have done, which you have copied down in your notebook or book, and write the words, meaning and synonym antonyms of unit number 2. Okay, this is your task for today, inshallah ta'ala. Hopefully you will do this. We will meet you in the next class, inshallah. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.